In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide the toggle panel or terminal panel in Visual Studio Code. This is a simple but very useful trick to keep your workspace clean and focused, especially if you're working on a smaller screen or just want to see more of your code at once. First, go ahead and open your Visual Studio Code application. You can do this the same way you normally open any program on your computer, either from your taskbar, dock, or applications menu. Once VS Code is open, make sure you have a window with a project or a file visible, so you can clearly see how the panel behaves when we hide or show it. At the bottom of the VS Code window, you will usually see the panel area. This is where things like the integrated terminal, output problems, and debug console appear. Sometimes this panel can take up a good amount of vertical space, which can be distracting if you don't need it at that moment. To hide this panel using your mouse, move your cursor to the upper right corner of the panel area. You'll see an icon that looks like a toggle or a small panel control. Click on that toggle button. As soon as you click it, the entire panel will slide down and disappear, giving you more room to view and edit your code. If you want to bring the panel back, simply click the same toggle icon again when it's visible, or use the shortcut I'll mention next. It will slide back up into view with all your previous terminals and tabs just as you left them. Now, if you prefer using your keyboard, there's a quick shortcut. Press the Control key and the J key together. On many keyboards, that's written as Ctrl plus J. Pressing this combination will instantly toggle the panel. If the panel is currently visible, Ctrl J will hide it. If the panel is hidden, pressing Ctrl J will show it again. This is especially handy if you need to quickly open the terminal to run a command and then get it out of the way. Try pressing Ctrl J a few times to get used to the motion of the panel appearing and disappearing. Once this becomes a habit, you'll find it much easier to manage your screen space in Visual Studio Code.